Let's go.
Man, should say better than me. Tell my man shut up. Mention my name in your tweets. I Ruben shut up. Better than me?
Alright Bristol, what's good? It's me today, Stamsy, and my boy Ollie. We're going to be doing a bit of bird watching. We're down at Chew Valley Lake. And we're gonna...
In it, right? Yeah,
yeah bruv.
Yeah,
we're gonna get some fucking cool shots, cool photos, and share it on the gram. Gram is right here. Ollie's gram is right here. Give us a follow. Let's get into it.
Let's go.
Okay. I like it. Tufted duck. That's the bird that we are going to be looking for today. Tufted duck. Better watch out, man.
We just come and find you, tufted duck. What's up?
Oh, mate, you can't see fucking nothing in this thing, bro. What? I ain't seen no birds, bruv. Have a look, Ollie. Get some of the...
Yeah, man. I'm getting...
Get some of the trees in that.
Yeah, man, yeah. Sound. Hey, wait, man. Wait for me, blood.
Tree, you know.
Hey.
Push yo.
Say.
Alright, what's that?
What is that? Nah.
Yeah, Stami, bro. Let me set up the shot. Oh. This is sick, blood.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
Nah, it's fat. Blood. Mate, we're fucking lost, blood.
No, we're not, blood. Literally, Google Maps is right down here. Swear down. I swear, on Mum's life, swear down.
That's fine, blood. You chill out. Chill out.
That's cool. Have some of that.
Blood.
Yo, you can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me.
Fair one. What? Where's the lake, blood? Where's the lake?
I don't know, man. Why are you asking me for?
Well, man, you said you knew where the lake was.
Yeah, of course I know where the lake is, mate.
Mate, blood, there's a fucking bridge, mate. There's a fucking...
Oh, shit.
Mate, there's a fucking bridge here, blood.
Well,
Mate, there's a guy down there, blood.
what?
Swear down, cuz. There's a fuck...
Let's just ask him. Excuse me, mate. We're a bird seer. You haven't seen any tufted duck around here, have you?
Well, I've been fishing here last 30 years and I ain't seen no fucking likes of the fucking tufted ducks, like. And I'll tell you what, boys. These woods ain't safe, lads. Right, get out of here. Best before dark as well. On your troddies, lads.
What a fucking weirdo, bro. There's meet some weird people out here.
Oi, what? Oh, he's gone. Oi, nah, he's gone. Where the fuck's he gone? He's here, what? What? How the fuck did he get there, Brown? How'd he get there, man? What the hell, man?
Ollie, man, we've come this way, bro.
Nah.
We have, we literally have.
Nah.
Nah, because that's where Ron went off with the camera, bro.
Nah.
No, seriously, bro.
Nah.
Oh my days, bro.
This way. Oi. Nah, it's this way.
No, bro.
This way,
Oh,
man.
mate, you already got it wrong once.
It's this way, man. I'm telling you this. Bro, swear down.
Blood. Whoa, no. Did you just see that, blood? Blood,
Oi,
did you just see
what
that?
was that? What was that, man? Nah, what was that?
Did you just see that, man?
What?
Mate, you telling me you didn't see that?
What, blood?
Mate, there was something over there, blood.
Nah, this is getting a bit serious now, you know. It's
Bun that,
getting a
blood.
bit
Stop.
serious now, you know.
Stami, man, we need to. We're going this way.
Come on, we'll go this way, bro.
Now, bro, it's this way, man. It's this way, blood.
He's a waste man, man.
Bro, fucking, bro, pussy old, bro. I'm not going that fucking way. You already got us lost once.
Yeah.
Man, fucking, bro. You always fucking did this back in fucking Priory as well. You fucking pissed me off. It does my fucking head in.
Nah, mate. You can fucking die. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, man, fuck that.
What the fuck was that? Mate, was that Ollie? Mate, nah, we gotta go back for it, man.
No, man, I'm not fucking going back there.
Yo, Stammy got lost, you know. He's done out here, fam. He's not coming back from that, you know. He's not coming back. He went the wrong way. I'm almost gonna be out by the car park having tea. He's gonna be getting eaten by wolves, you know. Safe. Check out, you know what? It's actually pretty nice out here, you know. Check out the trees and that. Pretty nice, you know. What was that sound? Nah, I didn't like the sound of that. Nah, fam, that ain't it. That ain't it, fam. That's not it. That's not it, man.
Mate, nah, I can't be doing this right now. Wait, what the fuck was that, man? Mate, what the fuck was that? Oh, mate, whoa. No. Stami, blood. Oh my god. Nah. Nah.
Oi, I found the sea, boys. Oi, that's sick, bro. That's sick, man. I found the sea. Oh my god. It's that fisherman guy again. Oh, you're right, fisherman, mate. How's it going, mate?
I told you to stay out of the woods!
I think I lost him, man. I think I lost him, blood. But I lost him. I think I did. I think I'm safe in here. Man, that's so scary, man. That fisherman, I don't know what's wrong with him. I don't know what's gone wrong with him, fam. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't. Ah!